Right. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Hair by Clippers, Clippers with Z. We are located in Intinda Ministers Village. Those ones who would want to come and have our services, yes, we are at Hair by Clippers. So today we are going to see something that is very, very interesting, and this is called the braids. Yes, when I talk about braids, it is a very, very simple hairstyle, but though sometimes something that is simple, you find it difficult. Okay, yeah, you find it difficult by making it to come out very, very well. So, and I've been telling you that the most important thing is the finishing. So you can plait, you can braid, you can crochet, you can sew on, but how are you going to finish your like the last part? How is it going to come out for your client to appreciate? So this time around, these are the braids, but all I want you is to watch very well how we do it. So the first line, as you're starting, you just first start with this. That means this is where we're going to braid, and we are braiding using the inward knotless braiding, just like that. So you keep on adding from inside and you move, because I want you to watch very carefully so that you can understand this. So you add in as you're moving this way, and you keep on adding. This time around, we're not supposed to add like too much, like to make it like very, very big. You just have to add according to the braid that you want, because the purpose here is just to we're adding the extension to make it a little bit longer so that it can reach in our destination of the puff holding. Okay, because you can see her hair is short, and I believe that if her hair was very long, even if we wouldn't have added the puff. So you have seen I've braided the first line, and the second one I've skipped it because it's where my braid is passing. So the third one, I'm going to get the braid again, the hair, and then I braid it so that it combines the two. Okay, and if there was another line, the next line, I wouldn't have braided that one. So that's how you keep on moving with the brick lay, because now on the second, since here it is the first one, you just move with that, because on the second one you're not going to hold it. So that's how you keep on moving with the braids. And I've been seeing people are trying to copy this hairstyle, and yes, they're trying to do it, but how they do it, they just braid the real cornrows, and then the real knotless braids, and they hold it puff plus the extension. But that's very wrong. This is how you need to move with it. So as we are continuing, this is how it is happening, and then we braid on top here, just like that as we're moving. So it means on this line we are moving like this. So now let me try to explain a little bit. Let me try to explain something here. You can see her head, it is just that way, but if this person, let's say if she wanted smaller, it means I would be having like 4 lines. Okay, 4 lines. So the first one, the way it is braided, the second one you skip, you get the third one. okay, and maybe the fourth one wouldn't have been plaited. So the second one would have been plaited, another line note. So like that is how you keep on moving with the brick laying. But the most difficult part is how to make your lines to hold a puff, like when how to braid, like the way I'm now parting my lines until it holds a puff. So the pattern that you move with like someone who is doing the puff cornrows, okay? You be like you're doing the puff cornrows. That's when you can achieve these looks very, very well. Okay, so you just get that idea of how you can be doing the cornrows, okay, the puff cornrows. So you use that idea as you're parting your lines here when you're moving. So that is the only thing how you can achieve this brick laying. And those ones sorry, and we are using the synthetic braid, just trying to add. And that is not only the braids that you can always use, guys. I always tell you to be so very creative. So you may use anything different. It is also very, very fine as long as you achieve the same thing. So as we're moving, this is how it looks, and let's try to continue to see how it is going to be. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and trust me, I really, really love you so much. To those ones who would need to try my online classes, please just find the link in the description. It's going to take you through all my courses and you get what you're supposed to learn. Yes, and don't forget, this is the channel where you always find different types of hairstyles, and we always upload every week. So that is very, very interesting for you to subscribe right now. So let's continue and see how this is going to end. All right, yes, so now after finishing our whole circles, this is our anti-itchy that we always use, the MDC hair product. We'll also add it in here, yes, just like that. You add it in here like that. You keep spraying in the, since it is just going to be a hairstyle that is going to be held puff, so you need that anti-itchy so that you can protect your scalp. Yes, to protecting out of dandruff, and then the itching, of course, plus the hair growth. So we add it there, and then we start holding puff. So make sure that your puff is very well plated, because remember, it is going to be permanent puff. It's a permanent puff that we're doing, so you don't need to make it a little bit loose, but still, as you're holding it that tight, you have to make sure that there is not tension. Yes, there is no tension with the hair. So that's how you're going to achieve it. Now on top, we're going to add on the extension called a spring twist. Those ones who have it, the spring twist, yes, is the extension. And I already tell you, like, it's not all supposed to be this only hair extension. You can be creative, and for you add on another extension, the one you want. So this is how we're going to move until we see this perfect finishing. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and please, if you have any question, you can go right in the comment section. Tell me what you need to ask about this hairstyle, and maybe if there is another question concerning the hairstyles, please, you can do ask right in the comment section. And please don't forget to just like the video after watching, okay? Yes, it makes it very nice. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z, located in Inti, the Minister's Village. May the Lord bless you all. He got the touch of a Christian master, yeah. Oh no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi de wongo yaka, Maurice the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no. Nobody do it like Maurice, the crochet master.